Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE, $5,500, Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. This 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE is a classic late 1970s Harley powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-twin engine. Finished in blue and featuring both kick and electric start, the motorcycle carries the unmistakable old-school Harley character that continues to attract vintage American bike enthusiasts. Matching engine and frame numbers add extra appeal for buyers looking for a more authentic Shovelhead-era machine. According to the seller, the bike has received numerous updates, including new fuel tanks, fenders, carburetor, battery, lights, and controls, while still maintaining its traditional styling. The motorcycle is also described as running well and comes with a clean North Carolina title. For riders searching for a usable vintage Harley with classic presence and strong collector appeal, this FXE offers a very authentic old-school riding experience. Number 2. 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750 Electro, $7,950, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Triumph Bonneville 750 Electro represents one of the final years of the classic British Bonneville before Triumph's major transition period during the 1980s. Finished in orange and showing only 7,840 miles, this low-mileage example combines traditional Bonneville styling with the added convenience of electric start, while still retaining a backup kickstarter. The Bonneville series became legendary for its balanced handling, smooth parallel twin engine, and timeless British personality. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs well, and everything works properly while still wearing its original factory paint. The bike also carries a transferable Pennsylvania antique license and clean title, adding to its collectible appeal. For buyers searching for a well-preserved vintage Triumph with low mileage and classic styling, this Bonneville Electro presents a very attractive opportunity. Number 3. 1977 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,250, Harpswell, Maine. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ400 is a thoughtfully customized vintage Japanese motorcycle that blends classic styling with a long list of practical modern upgrades. Finished in flat black and showing approximately 12,900 miles, the bike features custom saddlebags, LED lighting, updated instrumentation, and a Mikuni VM30 carburetor kit. The KZ400 became popular for its lightweight handling, dependable twin-cylinder engine, and approachable riding character during the late 1970s. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been well maintained and currently has no known mechanical problems. Additional updates include new tires, a new battery, steering stabilizer, updated controls, and modern convenience features like a USB charging setup and tire pressure monitoring system. For riders wanting a vintage Kawasaki with everyday usability and custom cafe-inspired style, this KZ400 offers a unique mix of retro charm and modern practicality. Number 4. 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $9,800, Brookville, Maryland. The 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is one of the most iconic Italian touring motorcycles of the 1970s, recognized for its durable V-twin engine and unmistakable long-distance touring character. Finished in black and showing around 21,000 miles, this example has reportedly been fully restored and comes from a private collection. Moto Guzzi Eldorados became famous for their smooth highway manners and were even used by police departments during the era thanks to their reliability and comfort. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides perfectly, while also including manuals and restoration documentation. The fully restored presentation appears to preserve the timeless styling and classic road presence that make these Italian motorcycles so desirable today. For collectors or riders searching for a high-quality vintage Moto Guzzi, this Eldorado stands out as a beautifully preserved classic. Number 5. 1979 Yamaha SR500, $3,200, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1979 Yamaha SR500 is a lightweight vintage single-cylinder motorcycle, often referred to as a classic street thumper, thanks to its strong low-end torque and simple mechanical design. Powered by a 499cc air-cooled engine and featuring kickstart-only operation, the SR500 became highly respected for its minimalist styling, engaging riding experience, and popularity within cafe racer and custom motorcycle communities. Its lightweight chassis and straightforward engineering continue to attract vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. According to the listing, the bike includes a title and retains the qualities that make SR500 models so collectible, including their classic styling and strong custom building potential. Vintage examples are especially appreciated when original parts remain intact and overall condition has been preserved. For buyers searching for a simple and character-filled Japanese classic, this SR500 offers timeless style and a very pure riding experience.
Number 6. 1942 BSA WM20, $7,600, Watertown, Massachusetts. The 1942 BSA WM20 is one of the most recognizable military motorcycles of World War II, famously used by the British Army and Allied forces during the war. Built for durability and reliability under difficult conditions, the WM20 became a symbol of wartime motorcycling and remains highly collectible today. This example appears to retain its authentic military character while also being fully titled and road-ready. According to the seller, the motorcycle has undergone extensive mechanical servicing, including work on the engine, gearbox, clutch, wheel bearings, magneto, and electrical system. With only around 300 miles on the overhauled engine, the bike is described as fully functional and ready to ride. For collectors searching for a historically significant military motorcycle with real road usability, this BSA offers an impressive blend of history and vintage appeal.
Number 7. 1974 Honda CB750K, $4,500, Downingtown, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Honda CB750K remains one of the most iconic Japanese motorcycles of the 1970s, combining smooth inline-4 performance with dependable everyday rideability. Finished in brown and showing only 4,640 original miles, this example appears to retain much of its original character while benefiting from several recent maintenance updates. The CB750 became legendary for helping redefine performance motorcycles during its era and still holds a strong following among vintage bike enthusiasts today. According to the seller, the motorcycle starts easily and rides very well after receiving cleaned carburetors, new fuel lines, fresh tires, a new chain, and a new Yuasa battery. While described as a rider-quality machine with some chrome wear and exhaust imperfections, the bike still presents very nicely overall. For buyers looking for a classic Honda with low mileage and timeless styling, this CB750K offers strong value and proven reliability. Number 8. 1967 Triumph Bonneville, $2,000, Essex Junction, Vermont. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville is a classic British motorcycle that helped establish the Bonneville name as one of the most respected in motorcycling history. Known for its lightweight feel, strong parallel twin engine, and timeless styling, the Bonneville became extremely popular during the 1960s among both casual riders and performance enthusiasts. This example has reportedly been stored for many years, but still appears to remain largely complete. According to the seller, the motorcycle was running when originally turned over, but has not been started during current ownership. The bike also includes a title and is described as being in decent condition for its age. For enthusiasts searching for a vintage British motorcycle project with strong collector appeal and classic 1960s personality, this Triumph offers a very affordable entry into vintage Bonneville ownership.
Number 9. 1979 Suzuki GS750L, $2,000, Mullica Hill, New Jersey. This 1979 Suzuki GS750L is a classic late 1970s universal Japanese motorcycle that combines smooth inline-4 performance with practical everyday usability. The GS series became highly respected for reliability, comfortable ergonomics, and balanced handling that worked equally well for commuting or weekend rides. That this example stands out for reportedly remaining mostly original, avoiding the heavy modifications often seen on vintage motorcycles from this era. According to the seller, the motorcycle includes many original components, such as the airbox, side covers, chrome fenders, seat, handlebars, and exhaust parts. A Vance & Hines 4-in-1 exhaust and newer uni filters were also added during ownership, while a climber manual and extra OEM parts are included with the sale. For buyers looking for a solid vintage Japanese motorcycle suitable for restoration or regular riding, this GS750L offers excellent old-school value.
Number 10. 1989 Dnepr 11, $6,500, King George, Virginia. The 1989 Dnepr 11 is a Soviet-era sidecar motorcycle known for its rugged design, military-inspired heritage, and unmistakable vintage personality. Powered by a 650cc engine paired with a 4-speed transmission and reverse gear, the Dnepr traces its engineering roots back to the pre-war BMW R71 motorcycles of the late 1930s. Sidecar motorcycles like this continue to attract enthusiasts who enjoy unique machines with strong historical character and off-road capability. According to the seller, this example appears to remain largely original with matching numbers, low mileage, and legitimate Virginia paperwork. The bike reportedly starts easily and offers the kind of slow but entertaining riding experience that makes vintage sidecar motorcycles so memorable. For buyers searching for an unusual classic motorcycle that stands out everywhere it goes anywhere, this Dnepr delivers both conversation value and vintage charm.
Number 11. 1974 Yamaha TX650, $4,000, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Yamaha TX650 is a classic Japanese twin-cylinder motorcycle that helped establish Yamaha as a major force in the vintage motorcycle world. Known for its smooth power delivery, dependable engineering, and British-inspired styling, the TX650 became a favorite among riders looking for a balanced and enjoyable everyday motorcycle. Showing around 12,000 miles, this example appears to remain in active use and well cared for. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides great, while currently serving as a daily rider. Vintage Yamaha twins like the TX650 continue to be highly appreciated for their simple mechanics, strong reliability, and timeless appearance. For buyers searching for a usable and dependable 1970s classic motorcycle, this Yamaha offers a very authentic old-school riding experience.
Number 12. 1970 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $7,000, Stafford Springs, Connecticut. This 1970 Triumph Bonneville T120R is a beautiful British classic that represents one of the most respected eras of Triumph motorcycle production. Finished in green and featuring matching frame and engine numbers, the bike carries the timeless styling and strong parallel twin performance that made the Bonneville name legendary. Triumph motorcycles from this period became famous for their lightweight handling, responsive engines, and unmistakable vintage personality. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and has received many new parts, along with an upgraded electronic ignition system for improved reliability. Although the actual mileage is unknown, the bike appears to have been maintained with care while preserving its traditional character. For enthusiasts searching for a classic British motorcycle with authentic Bonneville heritage, this T120R offers strong collector appeal and vintage charm. Number 13. 1974 Honda CL360 Cafe Racer / Scrambler, $1,500, Baldwinville, Massachusetts. The 1974 Honda CL360 is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that became popular for its versatility, approachable size, and scrambler-inspired styling. This customized cafe racer and scrambler build gives the classic Honda a more aggressive and modernized appearance, while still retaining the simple mechanical character that made these bikes so enjoyable to ride. Small displacement Hondas from the 1970s remain favorites among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts and first-time classic bike owners alike. According to the seller, the bike is ridden daily and includes a clean title along with many recent maintenance updates, such as carburetor cleaning, new fuel lines, brakes, chain, petcock, and battery. While the motorcycle still has a few quirks common to older bikes, it is described as functional and roadworthy overall. For buyers looking for an affordable custom vintage motorcycle with cafe and scrambler style, this CL360 offers plenty of personality and everyday fun.
Number 14. 1957 Harley-Davidson Chopper, $11,000, Elverson, Pennsylvania. This custom Harley-Davidson street tracker, known as the LFR11X, was built by Chopper Dave, with a strong focus on performance and rideability rather than pure show bike presentation. Inspired by traditional chopper and tracker culture, the motorcycle combines raw mechanical styling with a purposeful riding setup designed for experienced riders who appreciate handcrafted custom machines. Bikes like this stand out for their individuality and unique road presence. According to the seller, the motorcycle was built using carefully selected components and refined over time to improve handling, stance, and overall function. Rather than being treated as a display-only custom, the LFR11X was designed to deliver a genuine riding experience with strong personality and aggressive styling. For buyers searching for a one-of-a-kind custom Harley with serious attitude and handcrafted detail, this machine offers a very distinctive vintage-inspired build. Number 15. 1978 Yamaha GT80, $875, Oakfield, New York. The 1978 Yamaha GT80 is a small displacement vintage trail bike that reflects the lightweight and easygoing motorcycles many riders grew up with during the late 1970s. Known for their simplicity and fun riding character, Yamaha mini bikes like the GT80 became popular with younger riders and collectors looking for approachable off-road machines. Compact vintage trail bikes continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their nostalgic appeal and simple mechanical design. According to the seller, this example has very low miles and has spent many years stored in a garage. The engine reportedly turns over and has spark, although the fuel tank and carburetor will likely need cleaning before the bike can run properly again. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage mini bike project with classic Yamaha charm, this GT80 offers a fun and nostalgic restoration opportunity.